Hey guys, Jim with unityofnoise.com here, coming at you with a quick tutorial on timing. The band that I play with tends to accent a lot of things on the and. If you have a standard measure of a 4 count, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, those are quarter notes, so if you look at eighth notes would be counted as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the timing comes down to accenting things on the upbeat. So versus accenting on the 1 or 2, you accent on and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I got to thinking about this with music production and just playing with bass lines and things like that, to where you could take a sample and manipulate the sample to have a different feel just simply by moving where the downbeat is on the sample. So here I have a standard drum and bass beat that I've slowed down to 100 beats per minute here. So if we listen just to this beat, with the click on, you can hear the 1, 2, 3, 4, which makes a very just standard 4/4 count drum beat. So then I was listening to this bass line here, and as you can hear with this bass line, it's just standard 4/4 beat with the accents on 1. And I hear them together so you can get them in context. So with that, you can change where the 1 is simply by moving this flag here. This is your start flag, or I don't know what the actual term for it is, but I call it the start flag. This flag basically means wherever you place it is where the loop is going to start from in Ableton. So let's say the end of this bass line on this section where it has that big lower note, you want to be on the first half of the beat. Then you put the flag here on number 2 and it'll start here. And this section on the right here will be your first section of the loop, and this will be the end section of the loop, like so. The idea there is now you could play this loop and move the start flag around and change where the 1 is and which note the bass line starts on, etc., etc. Now, I wanted to change it to where this bass line started with basically a blank note. So it would be like kick, and then on the and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. I wanted the bass line to start on the and accent after the 1. So in order to make that happen, I just hit play on this loop, and then I moved this start flag around until I found the right spot. So as you can see, when the loop starts, it starts on the 1.43 here right before the 2. So that leaves this little bit of emptiness on the very first downbeat of the loop. And just like that, it gives you a completely different feel to a beat and a completely different feel to your bass line, which can lead to you creating something you may not have ever created before. Well, I hope this helps, and I hope it gives you some more creativity. Cheers, guys. As always, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see in our future tutorials.